Rule processing in Azure Firewall involves the configuration of NAT, network, and application rules to control network flow. By default, Azure Firewall denies all traffic unless specific rules are manually configured to allow it. Let's touch upon rule processing with a classic rule first. NAT rules, network rules, and application rules are configured in the classic rule setup. Classic rules are processed in priority order, where the lower numbers have higher priority. Rule collections are processed from 100 to 65,000, so it's best practice to space out priorities by increments of 100 to allow room for future rule additions. Rules are evaluated in sequence from lower priority numbers to higher ones. A match with a rule stops further processing, meaning once traffic matches a rule, it is allowed or denied as specified in that rule, and no further rules are checked. Let's touch upon rule processing with firewall policy now. Firewall policy organizes rule into rule collections within rule collection groups. Rule collections can be of three types: DNAT, network, and application. Multiple types of rule collection can exist within a single rule collection group, but each collection group processes rules of the same type, such as DNAT, network, or application. Rule collections are processed based on rule collection group priority and rule collection priority. Priorities range from 100, which is highest priority, to 65,000, which is lowest priority. The highest priority rule collection groups are processed first. Within a rule collection group, the rule collection with the lowest priority number is processed first. Means the rule with the highest priority is processed first. If a firewall policy is inherited from a parent policy, the rule collection groups in the parent policy take precedence, regardless of the priority in the child policy. DNAT rules are processed first, network rules comes next in a priority, and application rules are processed last after the network rules. This order ensures that network and DNAT rules handle their basic connectivity, while application rules manage more specific, higher layer traffic. Let's discuss outbound connectivity using network rules and application rules. Network rules are processed first in priority order, followed by application rules. This ensures that basic network level filtering happens before more specific application level filtering. Network rules terminate the processing once a match is found, meaning no other rules are checked if a network rule matches. If there is no match in the network rules and the traffic is HTTP, HTTPS, or MS SQL, then application rules are checked. For HTTP traffic, Azure Firewall matches based on the host header, and for HTTPS traffic, it matches based on the server name indication. Let's touch upon inbound connectivity using DNAT rules and network rules now. Inbound traffic from the internet is typically handled by DNAT rules, which are processed before network rules. When a DNAT match is found, an implicit network rule is automatically created to allow the translated traffic to flow. For security reasons, it is recommended to be specific about the allowed internet source in the DNAT rules by avoiding wildcard entries. Application rules are not applied to inbound traffic. For filtering inbound HTTPS traffic, web application firewall should be used instead. For handling denied traffic, if a rule is modified to deny access to traffic that was previously allowed, any existing sessions that were active under the old rule are immediately dropped, which enhance security by ensuring that no stale sessions continues to access resources. In summary, Azure Firewall's rule processing is structured and flexible, with priorities controlling how rules are applied. By understanding the interaction between the rule collections, their types, and their priorities, you can ensure efficient and secure management of your network traffic.